Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locking in essentials now. Power and firmware matter because failures cost rounds. Charge gadgets to 100% and apply the latest update, then place 2 offensive, 1 defensive, 1 utility item in your loadout. Once done, bind each gadget to a consistent key. Use F1 through F4 and a thumb button for the fastest triggers. Practice the first deployment sequence twice in a warm-up map, so your hands and eyes memorize the motion before the opening bell. You now focus on deployment and team timing because coordination wins rounds. Deploy gadgets at objective windows and stagger them. A 3 to 6 second delay creates misdirection and forces opponents to reveal. Make concise 2-word calls, gadget type and ETA, so teammates sync without clutter. Keep track of cooldowns and intentionally reserve at least 1 gadget across the team for clutch plays. If an opponent counters, adapt immediately. Swap to your secondary gadget and reposition 2 steps to deny predictable. You finish by using the last gadget to confirm the objective and secure the round. Recon or area denial is best for the final push because it prevents surprises. Make 1 decisive placement, then sweep manually to collect or plant as required. If a gadget malfunctions, switch to your manual contingency within 1 to 2 seconds to prevent tempo loss. As a troubleshooting tip, recalibrate bindings, check network latency, and swap batteries immediately so hardware issues do not cost the match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.